So ngayon, Oklahoma City Thunder naman ang ating pag-uusapan. Itong official lineup nila para sa 2026 to 2027 season. Itong team na to ay meron young and deep na roster. Isa pa rin silang legit title contenders next season. Tara i-breakdown natin ito. Magsisimula tayo sa guards, then forwards, centers, tapos potential starting five ng team. So simulan na natin sa guards. Una si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, ang two-time MVP, one of the best guards ngayon sa NBA. Hindi lang ito matinik magpasabit ng fouls, talagang mahusay rin itong si Shai at sobrang skilled na player. Nag-average last season ng 31 points, 4 rebounds at 6 assists. Sumunod, Cason Wallace, isang young defensive stopper. Snatcher ito. Nag-average last season ng 8 points, 3 rebounds at 2 steals per game. Sumunod, Alex Caruso, isa pang snatcher ng bola. Veteran 3-and-D specialist, elite perimeter defender, one of the best sa league. Nag-average last season ng 6 points, 3 rebounds at 1 steal per game. Sumunod sa kanya, Jared McCain, isang young shooter at scorer. Malaki-laki ang ginagampanan nito sa OKC as nag-average siya last season ng 10 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist. Sumunod, AJ Mitchell, isang backup guard with scoring punch. Nag-average naman ito last season ng 13 points, 3 rebounds at 3 assists. Sumunod, Nikola Topic, isang young playmaker with size. Nag-average ito last season ng 5 points, 2 rebounds at 4 assists. Sumunod, Bennett Steers, ang rookie ng team. First round pick, 16th pick overall ng 2026 draft. At last, isa pang rookie, Otega Owe. Ngayon naman, dumako naman tayo sa mga forwards. Unahin natin si Jalen Williams, ang second best player ng team. Rising two-way wing, isang elite two-way player. Star in the making. Nag-average last season ng 17 points, 4 rebounds at 5 assists. Sumunod, isa pang Williams, Jalen Williams. Isang versatile big, mahusay rebound at may shooting rin sa labas. Nag-average last season ng 7 points, 5 rebounds at 2 assists. Sumunod, isa pang Williams ulit, Kenrich Williams. Isang tough veteran, energizer ng team. Magaling din dumepensa at may 3-point shooting. Nag-average last season ng 6 points, 3 rebounds at 1 assist. Ngayon, dumako naman tayo sa mga centers. Unahin natin si Chet Holmgren. Isa nga itong elite stretch big. Ang naitutulong nito ang kanyang rim protection at versatility. Nag-average last season ng 16 points, 8 rebounds at 2 blocks per game. Sumunod, Isaiah Hartenstein. Isang physical rebounder at solid defender. Grabe ito kung humasel at maasahan tuwing playoffs. Nag-average last season ng 9 points, 9 rebounds at 3 assists. Sumunod, Ade Mara, isa pang rookie ng team. 7'3" center from Michigan. 12 pick overall ng 2026 draft. May size at may potential. At last, Thomas Sorber, isang young big with physicality. Nag-average last season ng 4 points, 1 rebound at 1 assist. Ito naman ang potential starting five ng team. Point guard, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Shooting guard, Jared McCain. Small forward, Jalen Williams. Power forward, Chet Holmgren. At center, Isaiah Hartenstein. Overall, solid pa rin itong lineup ng OKC. Mananatiling one of the deepest and most talented young teams sa NBA. For more NBA content, ilike nyo na ang ating video at mag-subscribe na rin sa JB Buckets.